Evening again, Manoj here from Plotch. Beautiful weather out here in Bangalore. I'm speaking from Bangalore. I don't know which cities you are from, but I hope the weather is good. Today, basically, we are going to do a very interesting thing. We are going to show you a demo of a very big pain point that we are seeing in ONDC, which is around catalog. In ONDC, what we are seeing is because there's so many categories and so many products from variety of sellers uh, that we are seeing that sellers are having challenges in creating catalog. And catalog, not only creating a catalog, but creating a catalog which is compliant with ONDC, which means that ability to generate attributes which are defined by ONDC. Let's say in saris, let's say color has to be there, like a brand has to be there. For example, a shoes, a brand has to be there, kind of stuff, right? So we're seeing those challenges. Uh, and we realize that that challenge poses a very interesting opportunity for us to create a product which is which can help the sellers to generate catalog very quickly, kind of stuff, right? So that they can get onboarded very quickly and then they can join ONDC in a very large numbers. Now, when we were looking at this challenge about 6 months back, we were trying to find a solution. We realized that AI actually can play a very big role, and therefore we started working on this product which is Majik over last 6 months. And today basically we have created a sort of a beta version. I would not say it is a finished product yet, but sort of a beta version where if you only upload, because we wanted to give the simplest possible interface for the sellers to create catalog. So the simplest possible interface that we could think of is that what if a seller just gives the image and nothing else, right? It says I have only image. I have basically I can shoot from my mobile phone and then upload and generate a catalog for it, right? So we took the simplest possible use case, and therefore we came up with this product called Magic. Uh, so today we'll show you the demo of this. We also have launched two other products in AI. We are creating a suite of tools which are powered by AI. So Magic is one of them. The second one is Near, which basically allows you to discover sellers of only close to you, kind of stuff. And the third product that we have launched is Khoj, which basically allows you to search using voice in local language, right? So if I since I know Hindi, I'll just begin in this. If someone wants to buy a sari from like they would buy from a local store, right? कि मुझे रेड कलर की साड़ी दिखाओ, for example, right? So in a English kind of tone, language, not just pure English or pure Hindi. And you should be able to search and browse products using that, right? So Khoj is that product that we have launched. Of course, today we'll just focus on Magic. I have with me Vijay. Vijay, are you there? I don't know if he joined.
Yeah,
Right,
see.
Vijay? Yeah, Vijay.
Yeah.
So Vijay will help us, do the demo. Uh, and we will basically first showcase you the product, and then we'll highlight the key features and also analyze how the catalog quality, the quality of the catalog which is being generated. Now AI is not perfect, right? One thing that as a rider I want to say is AI is not perfect. What we have seen is 95% accuracy, broadly 95% accuracy in what AI generates as a catalog. So as a seller, you still need to do 5% of the work, but at least the 95% of the work is already done. And we will try to make it 99% correct over time. As AI, I think naturally progresses will get there, but we'll do that. So what I would suggest, Vijay, is to share the screen, right, and show us the process of it, right? That how to upload, products, how to give hint. If I want to give a hint, how do I give a hint of the product, like some kind of hint that this product is. Now, hint is optional, is not necessary. And then basically how the whole process works and how can I see the catalog generated and download the sheet and all those things. Uh,
Yes,
Are
sir.
you I'll share, stop sharing, and you can start sharing.
Yes, sir. I will share my screen.
So Vijay is speaking. Vijay, which town are you speaking from?
Sir, can you come again?
Which city are you speaking from?
Sir, I am from Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
Right
Okay.
now, I
Which
am in
which
Namakkal.
which where?
Namakkal,
Okay,
district
Namakkal.
in Tamil Nadu.
Okay, okay, great, great. So Vijay is from there, and he's taking us through that. Yeah, Vijay, go ahead. You want to show how the generation happens?
Yeah.
So click on
So
the
we can
magic.
see the screen, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can see your screen. I think everyone can see the screen.
Yeah. Actually, this is our homepage where we land basically. And here is the product ID where we can view the product ID that is in ONDC as
So
well as
this
the seller.
basically, so let me give it. So this was not something you planned, but if you want to show, that's fine. This basically is what Vijay is going to show is how the score, because we also realize that a lot of people don't know what is the defect they have in their product, right? So this is a simple tool to see what are the defects which a seller might have. So it takes a seller ID, which is ONDC seller ID, and an ONDC item ID. And if you click the submit, it will basically tell you what the seller uploaded and what the AI has done. Like how is that AI is enhanced, right? So for example, the seller has not uploaded, for example, here, let's say the brand, right? But product detail has a brand now. The AI has created a brand, but it doesn't have. The color is navy blue, while I think the color here is navy. So I think the color is pretty much the same. What else is there? Has AI generated fabric? So fabric is not generated because I
Yeah,
think
it's not yes.
it's difficult to see the fabric from the description of the product. So that is
Yeah,
missing. But is it? But the pattern is there. The material is there actually. The cotton blend material is there. It's not the fabric, but material is there. It also generated Google category, right? So Google product category, which is interesting because you can take Google product category and say that okay, it's apparel and accessory, clothing, underwear, and socks, and then socks, right? So Google has a 5,000 category list which they have specified for the Google Shopping. So the Google Shopping product category also is generated by AI. Now tell us how to generate catalog from just images.
yeah, yeah, sir. And basically here we have the icon that take us to the upload area, upload file. And here we can click anywhere on this area in order to upload the file from our local. So we can select the images that we want to analyze. I can basically click everything or just drag and drop the images. Now once we click the open, everything from the local will be uploaded to the web. Right
So
now
let's
everything is
just
getting.
pause here, Vijay. So
Yeah,
so one thing is that we have not put any major limits on how many number of images you can upload, but we have tested till 50 images. We believe that you can also test with 100 images as long as the total image size is below 25 MB. So that's one limitation that we have put, that the total image size combined altogether cannot be more than 25 MB. So that's one thing I wanted to highlight. Second thing is that you can because sometimes you may want to tell that this is a Peter England shirt, right? Because it may not be very obvious that it's a Peter England shirt, or this basically is only a hand wash kind of stuff, right? Some kind of care instruction if you want to give kind of stuff, right? So those things, if something that you want to specify, you can click on any product and you can give a hint, a product hint kind of stuff, right?
basically when we
Like
click the image, a pop-up will appear. So where we can enter the product name. Maybe let me just type some company, right?
let's say
Then
this is what Levi's jeans, for example. I know it might conflict with all. Oh, it's already Levi's jeans. Okay,
yeah, maybe.
maybe you can say because it's not very clear
Once
what the fit is. Can you say it's slim fit? Okay, let's.
yeah, we can
Can you say
also add that. So
yeah, yeah. So just a slim fit.
now the hint for that particular image is added. So
Yeah.
that will be used for AI to generate more accurate images. Likewise, you can
Now, if
add
you have any
hint for each.
questions, yeah. I know I just wanted to say if anyone has any question, feel free to ask and interrupt us because we want this session to be interactive and useful to you. Yeah, go ahead, Vijay.
Yes. Once we uploaded the images from our local to the web, we can just click the submit button. And now the files are being uploaded to the server for the AI to generate our catalog. May take around a minute. Yeah. Right now, yes, we can get a congrats message that our product has been successfully
So let's
submitted.
highlight that your now request is successfully submitted, right? So it is not like I've submitted, suddenly I'll get it, because there's a process the AI will take, and that is a asynchronous process, so that can take time. Usually, what we have seen is it takes like 1 minute per product to for AI to digest, ingest, and then get create all the attributes and those kinds of stuff, right? So that's a time that you should account for when you're doing it. Uh, yeah, go ahead. That's
Uh,
something I wanted to
Here
highlight.
we have an option to go to our catalog sheet. And here are the entire lists that a user can make to check the histories of the records that a user made. Right now, we can see that our process is in pending state. Right now, the AI is trying to generate our catalog sheet. Okay,
So after
this
some
might
time, it will move to processing. The processing basically tells that it has now has been given to AI, right? Still pending means it has not yet been given to the AI. Once it's given, then it will move to processing. And once the AI gives back the whole job done, then it will move into completed.
yeah, should I try showing some of the view?
Yeah, why don't you show some of your previous
Yeah,
generations
these are the previous requests
while that
that I have
happens?
made.
Yeah.
This is the previous request I have made. And these are the list of images that I have uploaded before and in previous request. Here we have the more generated AI generated data over here.
So let's go through each of them just to see how it has generated, what it has generated, right? So do you want to also show similar products feature before we
Yeah,
get into that?
yes. On the top right corner, you can see that there is an icon that is basically used to show the similar products that are specific to this product that is present in the ONDC. Right now, here the same both companies AirPods that are coming to the company have been displayed over here. That helps users to check other similar products
Basically, it
that I can.
allows someone to see if I am selling this product, what price at which I can sell this product. Like what is the competitive price in ONDC? Now this is fetching products from ONDC and then showing the price, right? So if I'm selling any product and saying, okay, what how to price it, I can actually see what are the similar products which are selling in ONDC network using that feature. Now let's go to the first one. What is this? This
This
is
is a
a
gel.
VLCC. So how it got the brand VLCC?
So that was given from the user side, sir.
No, it I think it got. Can you zoom in on the image? I think the image has
Yeah,
something,
oh,
right?
yeah.
VLCC. Yeah, because I
The
don't
AI
think you
generated
gave
the title.
anything to the LLM for or this AI to generate any brand, right? There's no brand given by you. So it is
It was
taking from
completely.
the image VLCC brand. How is SPF 20 coming there?
Can you?
Yeah, SPF 20 is also
I
there.
think it was also mentioned on the image.
Yeah, it is
Over
also
here.
mentioned. So it's basically reading from the image and saying it's SPF 20, right? That's basically that's very interesting that a lot of things are getting out of. How is it getting paraben free? It must also be written somewhere.
Yeah. Um, yeah, it was over here, sir.
See, it
Paraben
is
free.
so it is although for us it is very hard to read, the AI actually able to read a lot of the small stuff and generate the description just from the image, right? And that basically is the beauty of AI is that it is able to get data so rich that for a human it would have taken a little bit more time to generate, also more costly, right? We are charging only 1 rupee per product, right? So it's a very competitive price that if you have 100 product catalog and if you want to generate 100 product catalog sheet, you only pay 100 rupees. I mean, which is nothing, given that you get all the rich attributes from that, kind of stuff. And you also get recommended products, right? Or similar products, right? So I can also see you what kind of products they're selling. So this basically is also so some of the images are not coming, which is
Yeah.
I think we should fix. For some of the products, the images are not coming, but it will show similar kind of products which are there. Like I think aloe saffron gel is there, plum hello, this is there. So right, so I can Ayurvedic face pack is there. I can know similarly what kind of price I should sell this kind of stuff, right? So this is basically for a product which is in the it also generates ONDC domain, right? Somewhere.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, so it's the RET13 domain, which again is interesting because sometimes seller will not know what domain should is a very ONDC specific. It automatically detects there's a ONDC domain. It also generates gender, which is unisex, which is fine, and color, which is orange. Let's go to the next product.
Yeah.
It's electronic product. So boat, of course, it got from the image, the boat brand, and USB-C cable. So it all detected as a C cable, USB-C cable, right? That also is interesting. White color, charging adapter. It has understood it's a charging adapter and stuff. And material is plastic. RET14 is electronics, which is the domain. The category is adapter. So that's interesting. Let's go to the next one. It's how does it know it's a Ray-Ban?
It is
Oh, okay,
mentioned on
okay,
the
okay,
top
okay,
right of
okay,
the screen. Yeah.
okay, okay. So that's very interesting because it's able to capture things which
And it is
actually.
even able to say that is UV proportion based on the shade over here.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. Why is unisex? Is it a that also?
Yeah, it's unisex.
That's okay. Sunglasses category. Okay, that looks good.
Material was also mentioned over here. The
Polycarbonate.
pattern, both the frame as well as the glass material was also mentioned.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. Yes, yes.
Uh, so now shall we go to the download catalog area?
Yeah, yeah. Let's see if yours one got generated,
Okay, I will check
or
that.
you have any more to show here with other categories like fashion. Can we see something in fashion?
Yeah, I think it's on here.
Okay, this one. So LYME, of course, the brand it got from the image. Women's embroidered. So embroidery, it captures this embroidery. It's a cotton bell sleeve. That's very interesting. It's a cotton bell sleeve. Right? It's a bell sleeve, again, it's something that would be difficult for a human to, someone else have to teach, okay, this kind of sleeve is a bell sleeve kind of stuff, right? And V neck. So neck also it has gotten. It's a color, of course, it got the white color. And what about the domain is RET12, which is fashion. Pattern is embroidered. The casual cotton, because it looks like cotton, so I think it has captured the cotton. One hemline is straight, right? Gender is female, that's correct. Fabric is cotton, material is cotton. Full sleeve length is full. So that's interestingly, it's capturing the neck type, the sleeve length, and everything. The kind of sleeve it is, bell sleeve. That's again embroidery, all that it has captured very, 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 very beautifully.
Yeah.
Any questions from anyone? I think we have spoken a lot, but anyone wants to try a different kind of product? Uh, uh,
Manoj, hi. This is Praveen here.
yes, Praveen.
Yeah, I have a question on just this previous product.
Which
Uh,
one?
this one, yeah, the
Okay.
fashion one.
Yeah.
So there was a Paris mention in the image, but it was not taken consideration anywhere. I mean, how it
LYMA
omitted this?
Paris. Okay.
Yeah,
Can you let's see, let's do a Vijay, is it possible for you to search for this image on Google? Let's see,
Yes,
let's
sir,
see,
I will check it.
just check is it LYME Paris the brand, or is it LYME? I think that's a very good question. That why Paris was omitted.
Yeah, I mean, my question is, I mean, is it searching somewhere the universal data, or like, I
No, no,
mean, just
it is search. It is basically we give it to AI, and then AI see what AI and how AI does it. It's very complicated. We don't have our own AI LLM. We use external LLMs, right? Large language models to generate this, and they might do a web search that we don't know and figure it out,
okay,
right?
okay,
So that something is sort of an enigma or a puzzle for us,
okay,
black box for us. But yeah, yeah. So how is it omitting Paris, and why is it only taking LYME? Is I think we'll have to see the because LLM has a lot of what LLM does is basically it ingests so much of data, right? And then it has somewhere in that data, that this is LYM is a brand kind of stuff, right? So in that context, it might have taken. Can you show the LYME is a brand, or okay? Can you go to any of these brand? No, it's a Limia. It's not LYME. This is not LYME. Go to the other top one. Did you do image search by any chance?
I just type the brand over here
Mhm.
and check it again.
Easier will be if you do an image search, then it can basically, hopefully, Google will tell us that
Okay,
you'll have to save and then load.
where can I search this?
Or in Google, Google there's a image. Google, just
yeah,
click on the.
good image, good image. It will,
I'm using Yahoo.
No, no, you are on Yahoo. You have to go on Google, google.com.
Screen is okay.
LYME. You type, just type LYME, maybe. MI. So, yeah. So this one. No, no, the one, two, three, four, five, sixth one. Sixth one is LYME. Go there. LYMI. Sorry. So what's the brand here? The brand is actually LYMI.
With the category, it will be Paris.
Category cannot be Paris.
That's why that.
But the brand is LYMI for sure.
Yeah.
Because
Actually, the
it's
brand is
changing.
LOM.
Yeah, actually the brand is okay. So in this way, AI is correct. It actually capture. But I don't know what is Paris there. So we can look at we can do a dig deeper, understand why the Paris was omitted. Very very cleverly omitted by AI.
Okay.
Any other question from anyone? This is open for everyone, and we will of course share the link URL to everyone so that you guys can try. It is completely free right now. We're not charging anything since it's in the beta phase. We would want though feedback from you, how we can improve and make it better. If there's some gaps that you see or some other attributes that you want it to be generated. The other thing is there is that you can download this CSV, this sheet. So from this page itself, yeah, and you can download it. It downloads the CSV format, and this basically the all the attributes are in ONDC format. So all the names of the attribute, everything is ONDC. So you don't have to worry about mapping that to ONDC attribute and those kinds of stuff. Everything is done by for you. So whether it's a color, whether it's a color name, whether it's a brand, fabric, strap material, whether it's sport type, base material, metal, all the fashion and non-fashion attributes have been mapped for you. And this sheet is more or less 90% ready to upload. Uh, so that you can then just give it to your team for catalog upload. Now, of course, we will create more features in this product so that you can directly upload from here. If you are a seller on any Plotch seller app, then you should be able to upload right from here. But that's where we are. So your I think what you submitted must have been generated by now.
Yes, it has been generated.
Okay, it's generated. Let's quickly look at it. What is generated? I think most of the images
Yeah,
you have
I think
used
the
is
same
same.
images.
Okay.
Some would be different.
What about this? What about the denim jeans that we gave it a slim fit? Did it capture? So it's saying regular fit. Why is it saying regular fit when we said slim fit? The brand was correct. The gender is
Yeah,
correct,
brand was
male.
correct.
Is it somewhere in that label? It says says it is a regular fit.
Was
Quality,
not
no,
mentioned.
no. That we should check. Why? How is it getting a regular fit? Somehow it ignored the hint that it's a slim fit. The brand is correct.
Yeah,
The machine wash features original riveted material is denim. ONDC domain is RET12. Hemline is straight. Gender is male. Let is okay. It's saying size 33. Is that from that red?
and it was mentioned over here, sir,
Oh, waist
in the
33.
previous
Oh, okay.
case.
Very interesting. Very interesting. Got it.
You
It's
can
very
see it.
interesting. The size 33 was captured from somewhere in the label which says waist is 33. And these are the similar products which are in ONDC and stuff, right? Okay. Though that's the broadly the demo that we wanted to present. I think but we designed it for 30 minutes, so we're almost done. Any questions from anyone before we wrap up? Okay, I think we're
Yeah,
done. Yeah,
Manoj, I have a question.
yeah,
Yeah. So regarding the accuracy, right, you mentioned it's 90%. And so like even we make it to 95 or 99%,
yeah.
even so there will be a chances where some attributes are like
Yes, yes,
maybe wrongly placed over there.
yes,
And
yes.
in that case, it could be possible like because it already generated and like we assume that most of it is like correct one, but
Mm,
some of them are the wrong one. So the time taken for the verification or the time taken to like upload a new one manually, because when you upload manually, it will be like kind of 100% accuracy could be obtained. But here
mm,
there will be difference. But like if we upload with this AI, there is a possibility of the wrong attribute uploaded, and there will be a lot of like customer rejection because the data has wrongly put over there. I mean, the
mm,
order rejection rate will be higher.
mm.
How do you think about that?
Yeah, so basically, I'll tell you that is a interesting problem with AI everywhere. It
Correct.
uh, Google had a lot of issues. OpenAI had a lot of issues with a lot of stuff. Uh, so AI over time will become better and better. Now, of course, what we also trying to now see if we can give confidence score. to this
Okay. Mhm.
those whole product. We say, okay, what is the confidence score that this is 99% correct, or 99.9% correct, or 90% correct, right? So that you can filter out where it's the low confidence score, you can manually see if it is something that you should look at, right?
So is it possible to have this score at the attribute level, like when we upload the image and it fill the
Mm,
data, if attribute wise it shows like, okay, this is 99% or this is 100%.
mm.
So I can only look at that attribute. Okay, this could be a problem. I
We
will
can do
verify
that.
that it
I
is
think we that's a good idea. We can probably highlight attributes with low confidence,
right.
so that we can say, okay, this is the attribute which is probably a low confidence attribute, and you
Okay,
can
that
look
is
at it, because
possible.
then visually it will be easier for you to see and say, okay, this is something that I need to look at, rather than look at each of them and say,
Correct.
oh, no,
Right.
that's a good idea actually. You can do that.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Great.
So one question, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible. Yeah.
Yeah. So sir, the product works actually on the like cleared images. It should have a white background, everything. Not on a real-time image. That if I capture an image from a
No,
mobile
you
phone.
you can do that. You can do that. We have tried that also. You can click a photo from anyone, any product that you have close by. Maybe your own mobile phone. You can picture. You can, or anything in your phone, home. You can, or in your shop, or wherever you are, office. You click a picture, upload, and it will work.
Okay.
No challenge.
Okay.
In fact, in the mobile, you will get an option to upload. You can take a photo and upload. So you should try that. Yes, and let us know if you find
Yeah.
anything.
Thanks. Thanks.
Okay, I think thank you everyone for your time, and we will do more such demos. If you have any feedback, let us know. We will of course send you email or WhatsApp wherever you have come from. More details on how you can reach us and how you can use it, kind of stuff. Okay. Thank you, Vijay, for the demo. Thank you.
Thank you, Arya.
Thank you.